In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Shopify in Wix. To get started, go into your Shopify admin and look at the menu on the left side. From there, click Buy button, then choose Create a Buy button. This feature lets you generate a Shopify-powered purchase option that you can place directly on your Wix website, which is useful if you want to keep your site design in Wix while still selling products through Shopify. Next, choose Product Buy button. This option is ideal if you want to feature a specific item or collection from your Shopify catalog on a Wix page. After that, select the product or collection you want to display, and then click Select to continue. Once your item is selected, you will be taken to the customization area. Here you can adjust the button style, layout, colors, and checkout behavior. Take a moment to make sure everything matches the look and feel of your Wix site. Keeping the design consistent helps your store feel more polished and professional. You can also preview how the button will appear before moving on, which is helpful for catching any design issues early. When you are happy with the setup, click Next in the top right corner, then click Copy Code. This code is what connects your Shopify product display to your Wix site, so make sure you copy the full snippet exactly as provided. Now switch over to Wix, log into your Wix account, open your site in the Wix editor, and go to the Shop page or whichever page you want to use for the integration. Once you are there, click the plus icon, which is the Add Elements button on the left panel. From the Add Elements menu, go to Embed Code, then Popular Embeds, and select Embed HTML. This will place an HTML box on your page. Drag it into position so it fits well within your layout and leaves enough space for the product content to display properly. After placing the box, click Enter Code. Paste in the Shopify code snippet you copied earlier, then click Update. At this point, the Shopify Buy button or Product Embed should load into the box. If needed, you can resize or reposition it so it looks clean and aligned with the rest of your page. Finally, click Publish to make the changes live on your Wix site. Once published, visitors will be able to view the product and complete their purchase through the Shopify integration on your Wix page. That covers everything you need to know.